Hi everyone! Welcome back to Sorelle Beauty. If you're new here, I'm Michelle, the founder of Sorelle Beauty, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, my top beauty tips for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to simplify your routine, these tips will help you feel confident and radiant. Starting your beauty journey can feel overwhelming. There are so many products, techniques, and trends out there. But don't worry, beauty doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about finding what works for you and feeling good in your skin. Let's keep it simple and effective with these beginner-friendly tips. Tip number 1, focus on skincare. A good skincare routine is the foundation for any makeup look. Start with the basics: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. A clean, hydrated face will not only make your skin glow but also help your makeup look flawless. Remember, great makeup starts with great skin. Tip number 2, know your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, choosing the right products is key. Take time to understand what your skin needs, and don't be afraid to experiment. Start small and build your collection with products you love. Tip number 3, keep it simple and master one go-to makeup look. For beginners, I recommend starting with a natural look. Focus on a light base, defined brows, a little mascara, and a touch of lip gloss or lipstick. Once you're comfortable, you can start experimenting with bold looks or different techniques. Tip number 4, invest in a few quality tools. A good makeup brush and sponge can make all the difference. You don't need a ton, just the basics to get started. And don't forget to clean your tools regularly to keep your skin healthy. Tip number 5, practice, practice, practice. No one gets it perfect the first time, and that's okay. Watch tutorials, try new things, and have fun with it. Beauty is all about expressing yourself, so take your time and enjoy the process. And here's a bonus tip. The best thing you can wear is confidence. Whether it's a full glam look or no makeup at all, your confidence is what truly shines through. Those are my top beauty tips for beginners. I hope this helps you feel inspired to start or improve your beauty journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments, what's your number one beauty question or challenge? I'd love to create a video just for you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Sorelle Beauty. Remember, beauty is all about being the best version of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.